couple of times in Old Testament scripture, we read about disobedient Israelites who melted down their gold jewelry to create an idol in the form of a calf. Idols such as these can be hard for children to understand, so to visualize it for them, you can transform a paper mâché reindeer into a calf by simply removing its antlers. At Christmas time, you might even find them already spray painted gold, but if not, a quick spray with gold paint is all that is needed. Ask your students what they think about the people worshiping something they saw fashioned right in front of their eyes, and even worse, saying, "These are your gods, Israel, who brought you up out of Egypt." Is it any different than thinking that a new toy, game system, or phone is all that is needed to get through a difficult period? Get your students thinking about the idols in their own lives, and perhaps they might decide that they too have idols that need to be demolished. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.